Hello everyone, I am Dr. Asif, Spine and Sports Engineering Specialist. Today we are having Mr. Edward from Manipur. He has some mechanical back pain. जो इनका बैक पेन है that is because of the postural misalignment. जो इनका misalignment की वजह से past since last 6 months पिछले 6-7 महीने से इनको constant बैक में पेन थी और इसका कोई इनको डायग्नोज भी करके नहीं बता पा रहा था. He has gone for the MRI also. इन्होंने MRI भी कराया बट MRI में भी इनको कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं मिला उसका, डायग्नोसिस नहीं मिला उसका. इनकी जो हिस्ट्री है, इनको लेफ्ट नी में लिगामेंट इंजरी हुआ था. ACL इंजरी होने की वजह से ही यूज्ड टू वॉक पुटिंग मोर वेट ऑन द राइट लेग. सो दिस इज हाउ पोस्चरल मिसअलाइनमेंट हैपेंड. जब हमारा बॉडी का वेट अगर एक साइड ज़्यादा जाता है तो हमारी जो स्पाइन है वो एक साइड गिरने लगती है और एक साइड के मसल्स ज़्यादा लोडिंग लेते हैं, एक साइड के मसल्स पे ज़्यादा स्पैज़म आता है और टाइटनेस आना शुरू हो जाती है और हमें पोस्चरल स्क्लेरोसिस भी डेवलप हो जाता है. इसकी वजह से जो बैक में मैकेनिकल पेन होता है वो मिसअलाइनमेंट की वजह से हो रहा होता है और जब तक मिसअलाइनमेंट ठीक नहीं होती वो पेन जो है वहीं रहता है. इसके लिए चाहे आप कोई मेडिसिन लें या कुछ करें वो टेम्परेरी रिलीफ होता है उससे. So Edward हमारे पास he came to us on yesterday and he complained about the pain of his back. We have examined him and then we came to know he has some postural misalignment. We'll ask the Edward since how long he has been suffering with the pain and what exactly happened. So Edward, what exactly happened with you?
Actually, when last I had my injury
In your left knee.
on left knee around October last year, and I had this injury when I was playing football, and I had to be, I had to walk with by putting more pressure on my right knee because
Right knee,
my
yes.
left knee was already injured. So because of that, I think my posture is misaligned.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's how you've been suffering with the mechanical back pain.
Yeah, back pain.
Alright. So I've given him one session yesterday. Let him tell how about your back pain now, because you have given him one session. Do you feel any improvement with the one session?
Yeah, after I had the session that I did with you yesterday, I feel a lot better. I feel like my spine is unlocked and I feel really free while walking.
Good.
And also when I used to feel some pain when I'm lying down or sitting, and the pain is a lot lesser now.
Wow. So you can see in postural misalignment, he has been going through a lot of treatment. He met with a lot of doctor in Manipur itself, but he was not satisfied because his pain was not going. And just with the one chiropractic adjustment, whatever he said, that he's feeling much better with the pain. So if you have any postural misalignment and you are suffering with the mechanical back pain, you need to get your chiropractic adjustment done. Otherwise, your pain has to be there on and off. And if you are taking medicine with exercise, it goes off. But unless until your postural misalignment will not recover it up, your pain remains. So we'll give you today second session to Edward of chiropractic and postural alignment. Before the chiropractic adjustment, as you can see, we have given him some cupping therapy to reduce the muscles tightness and muscles spasm. So his left leg is a bit shorter than the right. So that's how his pelvis is not aligned, and when you stand and walk, the more pressure comes on the one side. Loose. Just relax, loose, loose. Relax your shoulders. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax your shoulder. Breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Head down. Hold. Loose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Out. Loose. Straight. So friends, this was the adjustment for his postural mechanical back pain since last 6 months. And if you have any similar postural misalignment problem, please do write in our comment box. We'll get back to you. And please watch our video and please share our video and please like our video. Thank you very much viewers for watching our videos. Thank you.